Broadcasting from Hectares, Philippines! Welcome to Gourmet Farms! Farm in plantation.
Okay guys, that's good. The dining room at Gourmet Farm. Now we're going to take a quick farm tour. So come along with it.
It's a quick rainy day farm tour here at Gourmet Farms.
Day off. Coffee.
You can do this one.
Meron pa tayo dito ng mga bear cat.
Oh?
Bear cat. Lamig. Busang.
Busang? Gonna show a musang or bear cat. Somewhere there? Living senoritas.
There he is. He looks happy.
Like
very,
senoritas, huh?
he's very well fed. Oh, we lost one.
Sino mo na nga ako? But not as talented as the birds in Yoki's. They feel it first. Kinakain niya yung balat?
Hindi. Ito siya. He might have just had the panna cotta.
I don't think he eats the banana peel though.
Yeah, he just mushed it out. See, you never know what you'll see on a farm tour.
Oh, this is a pretty tree.
Jackfruit.
Oh, one before that. The pink, the one with the pink buds. Beautiful.
Ano ba?
Castañas na chestnut na yun. Chestnut tree.
Ah,
Laki pala ng likod nito.
From gate to the 11.5 hectares.
From the gate to the farm, 11.5 hectares.
good thing I fed you first.
Oh, that means I can get another panna cotta on the way out.
Our tour guide is from Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Got a Las Vegas hat.
Las Vegas kasi kami namin.
Katulad mo ng kanang ate ko.
There's the plumeria. That's currently in bloom here. And a Baguio pine. Here's all your lettuce.
St. Joseph Sanctuary is a retreat house and they have a chapel inside.
Ito mga lettuce, green eyes, and romaine.
Green eyes, romaine, kale. Yummy.
All out in the open, mommy.
Arugula, eggplant.
It's not under
Carrots.
mesh or cover.
I know, right?
No picking.
Oh, what a good nice supply here, huh?
Peppermint.
Peppermint.
Some fresh peppermint.
Masa.
Minty.
That's so good. I can put that in my mess though. I just smell it. Oh, smells so good in my mess now. It's
There
a
you go.
mask wash.
Oh, it's aromatherapy for your mask. We'll be selling that online later.
Sa kitaba. Picture basil.
Apologize if any of this video comes out bouncy. Alright. Continuing on the tour.
Ano po yung nasa loob?
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper. Paano nung nag-pandemic? Anong ginawa niyo sa harvest niyo?
Before mag-pandemic, lahat ng tanim nasira na. Kasi pumutok yung taal ng January. So lahat ng tanim nasira.
Ay, oo, decide nga pala yun, no? Right before lockdown, everything got destroyed because of taal.
Ah, of course.
Coriander.
They got hit by
And
taal.
then dill.
Coriander,
Dill.
dill, yep.
Yeah. Mommy wants coriander.
Coriander. And then dill.
There, you just put all that in your mask. You see mommy chewing later. You know that it became a treat.
Ready to harvest. Who
Yeah.
wants to harvest?
Looks so nice, lush and green.
Lolo Rosa.
This is how it's supposed to look across the street from our house.
No. Picture perfect.
Yeah. So it is possible to grow greens.
Di ba mainit dito sa part na to na silang?
Tagaytay, ano na lang,
Oo.
500 meters na lang Tagaytay ngayon.
Okay, dyan lang kami. Isa may ulit ako.
See, we've always been very curious, as you know. Jedi Mommy likes to garden, and so we were curious if everyone covers with mesh during these torrential downpours and typhoons that we get. But seems like everything here is thriving.
Very interesting.
And hopefully you can see from some of the drone footage just how big
Ilang araw yung let?
this farm is.
2 months.
You can look for these covered areas. I think I went up high enough to catch the entire landscape here. But you can see just how rich the soil is, even on the other side. Let's see, Jedi Mommy would like to have one of these.
Nursery.
So you can see just how small everything starts. Even some lantana, I think, over here. Lantana, huh, Mommy?
Which one?
The orange and red.
No, lantana is the one that's clusters.
Oh, are those marigolds then? Where do you go?
Yeah, looks like French marigold.
Oh, from this distance, a little hard. But
Marigolds.
now this is completely covered. No moisture coming in.
Very nice nursery.
More nursery here.
Ready. Gano'ng katagal dito bago ilipat?
Ano na lang, 2 weeks. So, pwede na ilipat yan sa plot.
Tapos 2 buwan sa labas.
Mm.
So 2 weeks in the nursery and then 2 months outside.
I can see Jedi Mommy getting emotional again as she
Sa
gets
akin kasi
inspired.
mamamatay.
I know she would just like one tray.
Need attention. I'm busy.
Cilantro there, Mommy?
Kaya siguro nung napunta kami kaka-open lang from lockdown. Wala masyadong betang sila. Sinasira pa.
see, this is why they have dressings with so much cilantro.
Oh, you see those greenhouse there?
Uh-huh.
Plus the covers,
Huh.
all destroyed by the ash.
Ah. Again, apologize if you're getting wind. Not sure how well this camera holds up with the wind, but this is why we live here. Rosemary.
You make chicken tonight.
Ay, yung boss namin. Yung manager ng restaurant.
Oo nga. Paulo pa pangalan?
Opo.
Kaya tumawag sa amin sa sasakyan. Kasi nga nag-iintay kami dahil sabi ni Sir Pico, 1 o'clock daw. Eh, mag-aalas 2 na. Andun pa sila mga VIP. Sino tinuturo ni Paolo?
Yun, si kanina, si Anto.
Ano yung mga assistant din?
Ano yung may-ari na pag-gold.
Yun si
Ayan.
So there's rows and rows here, guys. Hope you're enjoying this tour. Yes, this is where all the arugula for the pizza came from. So, if you love fresh greens, it doesn't get any fresher. I think Mommy's getting hungry for another salad. Oh. Yeah, on this side is that kale.
Kale, yeah. They're gonna pass. Guys, go see more. Just eat Gourmet Farms and you can walk through roads and
So that's the riding tour. We're on the walking tour.
That's the owner of the farm,
Ah.
Mr. Escalera. You say that Escalera.
I believe this is more family members over here. Of course, we always seem to catch them when they're using the restroom. But, you know, who doesn't like an audience? Some nice goats over here. Do they make goat cheese? Uh-huh.
So this is where they bring their harvest, the crops.
Tapos dito na inuugat.
Packed in crates.
Dito rin nila pinaka. Diyan, triple wash.
triple wash, and then they also pack it here.
Dapat spin dry.
Okay. Always spin dry your lettuce.
Repack namin.
Okay. Oh, yeah. They pack it on.
That's different than the one you use.
Well, that's like for clothes.
Our lettuce.
We have dressing.
See, your lettuce comes out nice and fluffy.
So those are packed. Comes with dressing.
Uh-huh.
You see that?
Yep, we can. Well, we think we can. Here's all the herbs that are here. Whole chart. So getting a full behind the scenes of Gourmet Farms, guys. We hope you're enjoying this, because I don't know that everyone that comes here takes the tour. But I highly recommend it, because it's very surprising just how big this area is and what all they actually grow. So this is definitely the farm to table experience, and I think that's what we're all looking for these days, is to have the freshest of fresh ingredients. Always makes it extra special. And of course we got to talk with the chef thanks to our YouTube subscriber, who happens to be his sister. And yeah, it's just great to have all these fresh ingredients at your disposal to make the dishes that we had. So really understand the name of Gourmet Farms and the dining room. So hopefully you guys get to come out, take this tour. If not, I highly recommend that you stop by the restaurant if you're here in Tagaytay. I think you're in for a very good experience. Alright, we will walk up to the front and we will be back. So here's the chapel that's on the property, and then we'll take you through the gardens just outside the chapel. Really enjoying the Tagaytay breeze today. Despite it being a little overcast, I'm pretty sure this is better than being in the sun. Cinnamon? Ah. And then what do you have across the way there?
That's still kale, and then sweet basil, a lot of basil.
Oh, that's all.
Kuya, ano po yung mataas doon? Ano yung mataas dun sa dulo na halaman? Yung mga matataas.
Takwati naman po.
Takwati. Ano po yung takwati?
Yung ordinary curry lang po ng namin.
Just ordinary plants. Maybe they haven't decided what to put there. Mahogany! Oh, there you are, mahogany beef. Mahogany wood is for building, right?
I highly recommend the walking tour after you eat.
There's the lantana.
Yeah.
Eggplants. So that's the chapel pala.
Yep.
It's like a chapel on
Yep. Really fantastic farm, guys. Really I have to tell you, I had no idea just how big the area was, much less how many people they have working. It's a really nice experience. Like I said, we highly recommend if you get to come and you appreciate this kind of thing, definitely take the tour. I think it's one of the lesser known tours here in Tagaytay.
They said that before the pandemic, even on weekdays, they get some tours. People traveling from other provinces to come here and have the tour of the farm. But, you know, after pandemic, we know everything's changed.
Alright guys, we'll be back.
So this is where they store their imported coffee from Vietnam. Where else, Kuya?
Indonesia,
Vietnam, Indonesia.
Thailand.
So those are still raw. And then, you smell that, guys?
Yeah. If you need a caffeine buzz, just walk around over here.
This is,
The processing area.
yep, where they roast the coffee.
Machine.
That is a large coffee roaster, and not sure how well you can see through the glass, but there's a big roaster there. And it smells fantastic.
Ito magbibigay ng coffee.
That's where they grind them. I don't know if you can see through them there.
Yeah, a little hard to see, I think. But yeah, those are all the grinding stations.
Ito yung sa vacuum.
Packing station, vacuuming station.
So yeah, this is a full working farm, guys.
Yep.
From the growing to the packing to the shipping.
Lahat ng kape nyo, imported?
Hindi, yung iba naman sa Benguet.
Ringgit.
At saka buong Cavite.
They also have coffee from Cavite, of course. And then also Benguet. Oh, you smell that?
Yeah, yeah. You
You
can
smell
smell
it,
this
guys?
corner right here. Just stand right here. So how many employees?
Panghand, 35.
Huh?
Yung panghand, 35. Lahat-lahat employees at 140.
They have 140 employees, including the farm people.
So that includes dining room and entire facility, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, guys. So when you come here, you're supporting 150 families, or 150 individuals.
Oh.
So something
Time
to
to go
think
home.
about. And one bear cat.
So yung babayaran, bali may free kayo na juice o mamili kayo coffee.
Yung chili, parang binibenta yung sa taas.
O'clock must be 15. Or end of shift?
Actually, they're going home.
Yeah, end of shift. Guys, before we go, we're going to head in here and check out all their to-go products. Mommy's gonna get a coffee. Or
Probably a juice.
smelling all that yummy coffee now. And there's some plants you can pick up here, some soil.
Radish, onion, garlic. This is your bonus.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Oh.
Yes, welcome to Gourmet. Enjoy and buy more.
And of course, we got all the coffee here that you can want. Hazelnut, reserve, roasted. We have the whole bean, or they can grind it for you. If you just want to stop by with some beverages. Beverages on hand. Different muffins, coffee bun, and some Valentine products. That's a nice French press. If any of you are looking for a French press. And these are all the Gourmet Farms dressings, guys. If you've seen these in some of the stores, I think there's said they're almost in 200 stores. These are all made fresh, guys. So desserts, some sausages, got longanisa, Hungarian. Looks like there's tiramisu in there. There's the hot sauces.
If you've seen our story, My Day, or Instagram, you'll see this.
Mommy's picking that up.
These are really good.
He seems to be carrying it. And there's their, look, you see they have the cooler. That's the signature cooler that we had with the calamansi and the basil. Yep, they even have some little finger sandwiches, tuna wrap, Sicilian wrap. So yeah, guys, even if you guys are headed to Picnic Grove or any of the places and you want to pick up a little picnic snack, can't recommend enough coming here. Something fresh. And here's your sauces as well. The bolognese is available, and the puttanesca. So we had been to this part before, but they've clearly expanded quite a bit.
Hey, Toyota with rosemary.
I think we might be getting some rosemary. Sorry, I had a hiccup there.
Yay.
Some peaches, mango. So yeah, guys, if you're out of things and you're headed for your picnic.
Yeah, definitely picnic.
Yeah, I mean, you even got chips and snacks. And Mommy's favorite, ice cream.
Ooh, milk ice cream.
Oh, this is mocha.
Daddy, they have water. You remember your
Yeah. Lots of breads as well. So we seem to be eyeing some breads.
Ooh, pesto baguette. Coffee bun.
Alright guys, we better go before Mommy buys anything else. So we will wrap this up in a minute and we'll be back. So time check, guys, it is 4 o'clock. The last tour each day is at 3. So anyway guys, we hope you enjoyed this look.
Thank you, Kuya Victor, for the tour.
Yeah. And as always guys, if you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Follow and share.
Yeah, and then let us know. Let us know if you come out here to Gourmet Farms, if you've been out here before.
Let us know if you want to copy me. I have mint in my mouth.
Yeah. Oh, it still has her aromatherapy.
Smells so good.
I have a feeling this will be a trend for her now. So, all right, guys, we'll wrap this up here. But we appreciate the support as always. And until next time,
May the force be with you.
always.
Mama Pig Productions.